Hi there, in this video we're going to discuss why planning and budgeting is important for a successful business operation. Now, planning and budgeting play a central role in working towards achieving your business objectives. Now, besides capping unnecessary expenses, proper planning and budgeting increases the chances of achieving business stability. It's easier said than done though, so make sure you implement the right tools or software that will make your planning and budgeting more efficient. Bench accounting, for instance, is a value-for-money bookkeeping software able to streamline your processes for operational efficiency. Now, when you have a sound plan on how to manage cash flow, it becomes easier to channel expenses to important aspects of the business. That way, you not only improve the potential of boosting your business's financial health, but also reduce the risk of incurring losses. Now, once you have a clear plan and budget properly for your business, then growth becomes easy, putting your business on the right financial footing. And while planning and budgeting are important elements of running a business, business growth requires a joint effort from the entire team. This means that it's important to lay down clear goals and priorities that will enable you to achieve financial stability for your business. So, why are planning and budgeting important for business operations? Here's why. Proper planning and budgeting helps in minimizing the risk of losses. A lack of sound financial planning increases the potential of losing money to unnecessary expenditures. With proper records, you will easily know how much you've spent, how much is left, and how much to spend in future endeavors. Another benefit is that it eliminates bad spending habits. Having a budget keeps your spending in check and makes sure that your savings are on track for the future. Planning and budgeting also helps in realizing your long-term goals by knowing exactly what you earn and what money you have going out through a budget. And you can easily create a map for where you need to go to get to your goal, whether it's rebranding or expanding your business or purchasing a home in future years. So in conclusion, regardless of your business type, sound financial planning and budgeting go a long way in helping you achieve your business's objectives. Whether you plan to add more staff, expand the business, or introduce new products into the market, all these steps heavily depend on how you plan. Therefore, if you have a business struggling to operate smoothly, this video provides important insights that will help you build a strong foundation for better financial health. Now, we've put a link to our full article on planning and budgeting for your small business in the description box below. So go ahead and click the link and get a chance to read more on why planning and budgeting is essential for your business success. And if this information was helpful to you at all, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified when we post new videos.